Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make honey mustard chicken breast, full guide. Start by patting chicken dry and seasoning both sides with salt and pepper to prepare. Mix honey, Dijon, olive oil, lemon juice, and minced garlic in a bowl until smooth for a glossy sauce. Marinate briefly while you heat a skillet to medium. Sear 4 minutes per side, then finish covered until the chicken reaches 165 degrees F. Heat a heavy skillet over medium and add a splash of oil to prevent sticking and help browning. Place the breasts in the pan and resist moving them so they form a nice crust in about 4 minutes per side. Reduce heat, pour half the sauce over each breast, cover, and let cook gently until the internal temperature reads 165 degrees F. Rest briefly so juices settle, and then spoon the remaining sauce on top for shine. Pair honey mustard chicken with steamed rice or roasted vegetables for a complete, balanced plate that tames the sauce's sweetness. If you make extra, cool quickly and store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. When reheating, use a low oven or microwave covered to keep the meat moist and avoid drying the glaze. These small habits help your weeknight meals stay tasty and stress-free.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.